I am on my way to go meet up with MackinacRider. I haven't seen that dude in like on a motorcycle in like months. I think since like May actually last year. It's been almost a year. For those of you that don't know what he has or haven't been around long enough to see him on anything, he has an MT-09 SP with saddlebags. He gets a lot of flack for the saddlebags from some of the friends, but you know, he's still faster than they are. I do not plan on challenging him today. I just want to cruise, maybe like a little bit of fun, but I don't want to go nuts. Now, he said he was already here, so he should hear me pulling up. Hey. Stop.
Nice job.
Thanks. Is it recording now? Hold on.
Do the numbers mean something?
Yeah, we're recording. so like, you know how we invaded your work that one time, Rhea, John, and I? So the whole time Rhea was on the back, you know what happened? She slid forward and pushed me in the tank the entire ride. Dude, I couldn't feel my fucking, my giblets, they were in my pelvis, dude. I was like, So wait, since you have your GoPro, does that mean you're gonna put out a motovlog for the first time in months? A year? You fucking better, guy. Nah. Already a wheelie, I'm not doing that. That old guy was watching you fucking hardcore too. I don't know, man. Which way are you fucking going, dude? You're like...
Straight.
Alright.
Why are you looking at me, bitch?
Oh, whatever. Your bike sounds so much angrier than I remember last, too. Oh my god.
Yeah, I got a tire in that bitch.
Oh, I forgot about that. How's that working out for you?
Oh, yeah, it's great, but my moves don't work. It's just full modes all the time.
Mine doesn't hop. I wish. Yeah, hopping a Coke can? You can definitely hop a Coke can, bro.
Oh yeah, I know.
You can hop a fucking 2 liter. No, I'm kidding. Oh yeah, you can hop everything, dude.
I'm so fucking excited. I've been running a hot minute, so.
You got all this energy to get out?
I got food in me too.
Yeah, you're gonna be like the star of this video, dog. Like, I know Forgotten Build is gonna be like, yo, hell yeah. I wanted to hear it through the mic, my bad. Hell yeah, it's good. We both got that crackle tune right now. Oh my god, we're gonna be like prime cop targets out here, dude. Alright, so are we taking a left out of here or what's up? Alright. Fuck. Same. Okay, so you know how my bike starts cold as fuck, right? Or cold blooded? John kill switched me in traffic. So when we first got the bike running and I rode with John in Holland, he fucking kill switched me in traffic.
Oh no!
So I had to fucking wait for it to warm back up. It was like, bro, what the fuck? The guy next to me was laughing his ass off and it's like, the light turns green and fucking stuck here until this thing fucking kicks up. God damn it. Cause like no matter how warm it is when I start it, I have to hold the throttle until it kicks up to like 2,000. Cause like it'll start out at like 750, 1,000 RPM, and then when I give it a little bit of goose, like I'll have to hold it, it'll kick up and it'll run normally. So maybe the valves need done or some shit, or it's just...
I think it's just the ECU running a little...
It's not used to being rode probably, so it's like, oh!
Not being used, what the fuck?
This guy doesn't have me parked, what the fuck? I saw that baby wheelie. Oh. It is so fucking angry, dude. What the hell? Fucking hella bunny hops, holy shit. We're gonna hit every light red, I can almost guarantee it, dog. Oh, yeah, exactly. We're both on something that can actually do work for once, so it's not gonna let us do work.
This means wheelie.
Oh, the student driver?
Oh, yeah.
See, that's gonna be a U specialty, so I'm gonna be by. Oh, that fucking carry though, hell yeah. We're fucking idiots. You know what? Even though I'm on a bike comparable, it's still the same shit. You're like the goofy one, and I'm the, I'll be goofy on my own time. It's me comparing a 600 to a fucking 900 though. You've also got way better brakes than me, I feel like. The rear sucks? Yeah. The fuck? How?
I don't know, I changed the brakes. That's just how it is, it just sucks.
Of course. It's like the muscle car dilemma where if it's the angrier the car, the shittier the brakes. You know, like how...
Shit's this fucking bike.
True. You know, I really hope they can... No, you get away from that. I really hope that they can hear you through like the side thing, because occasionally they can hear my GPS. I don't have it set up yet to like hear the Senas. They're gonna have to like listen to your fucking video whenever you upload so they can hear your half. Cough, cough, shout outs. Cough, cough.
That isn't very drive safe for you, Toyota Sena.
Oh, I had my visor up the whole time. Fuck, I can't see. I'm on a... Thank you. Oh, fuck, I've never heard it like actually do anything, so I don't... Now you have to upload, so I can hear it. I'm really pushing you to upload. I don't know how long this light's gonna be. Watch me. Just sitting here casually and get fucking tackled off for street racing. You know, I just realized for once you didn't just get me out of the blue, so I mean, I'll take that. On the Harley, you'd been long fucking gone. I would have been like dust. I come. Oh, right into a lot of red, fuck! Dude, that bike has so much bass I can feel it in my chest just sitting here. We are the ones that get the cops called on them in HOAs. Oh, they didn't notice that was red. Rip, they ran that shit. They both almost would have ran that shit. gotta check behind us more often. I'm so paranoid. We got that synchronization going on right now though with the exhaust. Hell yeah. Nice. My hands are fucking frozen. I'll get there.
I'll slow down for you.
Alright. There's one more car. You know, anytime we do anything dumb, I'll be the one getting caught if people take pictures because my plate is on full display. I'm coming. Oh, that crackle sounds so good, but the camera cannot catch it for shit. I got a little bit of a lift off that, not gonna lie. Yeah, a little bit, dog. Your fucking tire is level with my head. Man, I love that I have stabilization on this because my fucking like TRRS goes goddamn hard so often. my fucking head ticks from the TRRS. Like every time the stabilization saves it. But when I did the only rear facing video ever, you can see it's so goddamn bad. But yeah. I like how every time we record together, it's always the longest fucking video ever because there's so much good shit because we goof off the whole goddamn time. What? Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. You're fucking moving too much. 33:15. Alright, we're good. Whenever you are. Ah, sounds so good. No, you're your fucking quick shifter.